Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today we're just going to be working on our jelly plate, laying down some Amsterdam Oxide Black. I'm going to roll that out with my very clean brayer. So I want to press in, got some old book pages. I want to see if I can print the book pages on that, and then I have a fun new technique that I learned from another artist, so we're going to try that out too. So let's get this pretty thin. Got way too much paint on there. Oopsie. Okay, yeah, that's like paint for the whole plate. So I've got these book pages. I'm just going to see if they will transfer. I don't really like, yeah, I don't think that did anything. Okay, that did not work. Okay, we're gonna roll out some more paint because that did not work at all. Oops. Let's try this magazine paper. Should work fine. I'm gonna put it in at an angle. So we get just a little bit of abstract texture word kind of thing going on. That sort of worked. I kind of like those little marks that it made there. I want to add some more texture to this, so let's do that. I'll go in with a little bit of the Payne's Gray from Liquitex. And add in a little bit of this stencil, or this mesh, my garlic bag, which is like my new favorite thing in the world. I don't know why I love it so much. Okay, let's pull that off. Okay, working a little bit different today. I thought I might try to put all of these layers, first layers down before we go back and put them on the gel plate or on the paper. So now I'm going to come in with, I have this set of acrylic paints called the Shades of Gray, which I never use, really. I like 3 colors. This is the warm gray. So let's see how this works out. They're not my favorite colors, but there's some that I really like. The thing is, they're really stinky. And I think that's why I don't use them nearly as much as I should. That and the fact that some of the colors are really terrible. Okay, let's just come in with this piece of cardboard here. A very seasoned piece of cardboard. I'll make some marks through there. Maybe a little mesh as well. Okay, let's see. I think that's probably, I'm gonna let that dry. I thought it might be fun to use up that piece of paper that we tried to transfer earlier. It's kind of a cool mark that it made, so let's add this to the paper. And I am working on the Jack Richardson printmaking paper today. My brain is not working. I got non-working brain syndrome today. Roll that out a little bit. Got some paint there left over. Oh, that's kind of fun too. Okay, let's let that dry. Okay, so I'm going to go in with just a little bit of pencils marks through here. This is the General's black pencil, and it makes really good marks. Just want some marks to kind of be subtle in the background, kind of give us a sense of place and some movement through here. So now I'm going to apply some gel medium to what we printed and roll roll that out, and then we're gonna print that onto the paper. I think this is gonna turn out pretty cool. I kind of like that color, that warm gray. This might be the best way to use those colors because I'm not using them in like crazy amounts. I think that's the problem, is that they're really strong. Okay, where do we want this? Yeah, I think right there. That looks good. Ooh, that's kind of fun through there. Let's see how all this works together. And then, I don't know what I want to do next. I've got a plan, sort of. I wrote down some notes of things I wanted to try today. So we'll see. Let's see what we got here. I think that's going to have to sit for a while. So let's let that sit and we'll come back. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at that grungy goodness. I really like that. Ooh, that color is really nice. Nice. Okay, I want to put down another color. This is the gray mild. I'm just going to put it through here. It's pretty mild. Okay. And for this one, I think I just want to do the mesh. Okay, let's do a little mesh. Kind of want it to be a little off-centered there, maybe. Okay, let's see how this works. I'm not going to let this dry. We're just going to print this directly. Just right through there. Some of the lines that I made before with the pencil stayed on the plate. So let's see if they're going to transfer. I was going to wipe them off, but then I decided not to. Okay. It's looking a little gray, but I don't mind it. Okay, I'm going to add some water through here because I kind of want to see how this paper reacts to the ink. So let's get out our Payne's Gray. I'm just going to go through here. Make sure I got my color shaper handy. Maybe it did not soak up that water very well. That's okay. I kind of want this to be smooth because the next technique we're going to do is going to be really cool. Get that lint on. Okay. I was handling it pretty well. Bring it down a little bit into here. I'm going to bring these layers together. Might go in with the brayer a little bit. See what that does. It really soaked it up, so that's good, I guess. Okay, so I've mixed up some of my ivory or carbon black from Golden, carbon black, with the Amsterdam black. And I've been following this one on Instagram. She does not have a YouTube channel, but I'll link the video of her doing this technique where she takes just like a little tiny bit of this and just sort of scribbles around and then presses the Gelli plate over top. So let's give it a try. Let's see if this works. I'll be really careful because I don't want this needle like piercing the plate. Oops. Probably need a plastic needle, but this is what I had, so this is where we're going to start. Okay, we're just going to start there and see how we like it, and then we'll go from there. So let's see what happens. Could be good, it could be bad. That is a lot. Okay, what do we learn here? Don't put down as many marks. Let's see, that is a lot. I mean, it really spread out there, didn't it? But it's kind of neat. I kind of like it. I'm going to go in with the palette knife just a little bit. Oh, maybe not. I don't want to mess it up. Let's get rid of that. I like how bold it is, but I think I need to use less paint because that's a lot of paint. Okay, we're gonna be bold and just try again. Thinner lines, not as many lines. What if we did some up here too? I'm barely squeezing this. Okay, that's probably gonna mush into one. Let's start there. Let's see what happens. I don't want to end up with a whole black painting, but maybe the paint is too thin. Maybe. I don't think I like the thin lines as much as I like the thicker lines. I'm gonna be honest. That kind of looks just like an ink blot there. I mean, I don't hate it, but I'm not in love with it either. Okay, I thought we would take a stencil, a different stencil. Found this when I was cleaning up the other day. And like just put some of this parchment through here and kind of bring everything together, maybe. That's way too much paint. That's probably not going to end well. I'm not sure about that technique. I'm going to have to think about it. Maybe the paint needs to be thicker or more spread out. I'll practice. We'll figure it out. Let's just make some lighter marks through here. I don't want to go up there. Maybe. Sure. I'll just put one right there. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. Boy, now I need some more down here. Okay, let's come in with a little bit more of this. This is the other side of the stencil. I think think I want to bring it down just a little bit into here. I don't want to cover up all that newsprint. Okay, maybe. Oops. Yeah, I think that works. Let's come in here and do some of these chunky marks through here. I want them to come up just a little bit. There. I like that. Ooh, that kind of mimics what's going on down here. That's nice. But I might want it to come even. Let's do some of these baby marks. They're so tiny. I had to switch brushes. The other brush was not cutting it for me. Get in there. Oh, we got a little messy there, but that's okay. We'll just make it look intentional. So I rolled out some black, the black that I had left over. And I'm just gonna make a mark down here at the bottom because I just kind of want it felt like it just sort of fell off there. It needs something, I think, to bring it together. There's a lot of lines in this one. But I kind of like how the lines and the organic marks are working together. And actually, I don't really hate that so much anymore. I did kind of muck it up there, but we might be able to fix that actually. We might have to reprint it. Okay, that's better. This is a very dark piece. So let's come back in here and see if we can make this look a little different here at the top. Hopefully I don't smudge what I just made. Now that looks better already. I kind of mucked it up a little bit, so. There we go, that looks better. Okay, let's come in with a bit of Payne's Gray ink tints. Got a little wet there. Only this area was a little sad. Okay, let's put a mat on this and check it out. So this is an 11 by 14 mat. I was working on 9 by 12 paper, so I think this opening is 8 by 10. Which is nice because it really covers up all of this area that I just ignored. I like it. It's neutral, but I think I like the text through there. I think that's interesting. I'm gonna definitely play with that more. I really like that warm brown color. That was a really cool color. We're definitely gonna have to put that in more. This technique, hated in the beginning, but I think I like it now. It's almost like a blotter, kind of ink blot kind of thing, but I think it adds some difference, more organic marks. I don't hate it, but I think I need more practice, so I'll take care of that and do that. Yeah, we've got some good layers going on. I'm pretty happy with it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video. And I will see you soon with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.